The Army Museum Lahore, also known as the Lahore Army Museum, is a significant military museum located in Lahore, Pakistan. It showcases the rich history, achievements, and artifacts of the Pakistan Army from 1960 to 2023. Here's a comprehensive overview of the museum's history during this period. 1960s. The Army Museum Lahore was established in the early 1960s with the aim of preserving and promoting the military heritage of Pakistan. The initial exhibits focused on the formative years of the Pakistan Army after the country's independence in 1947. Displays included weapons, uniforms, photographs, and documents from various conflicts, including the Indo-Pak War of 1947-1948 and the Indo-Pak War of 1965. 1970s. In the 1970s, the museum expanded its collection and exhibitions to cover more recent military engagements. It showcased artifacts from the Bangladesh Liberation War in 1971 and the Indo-Pak War of 1971. The exhibits highlighted the bravery and sacrifices of Pakistani soldiers during these conflicts. 1980s. During the 1980s, the museum incorporated displays related to the Soviet-Afghan War, where Pakistan played a significant role in supporting the Mujahideen resistance. The exhibits included weapons, equipment, and personal items of soldiers who participated in the conflict. The museum also started organizing special events and lectures to educate visitors about the military history of Pakistan. 1990s. In the 1990s, the Army Museum Lahore continued to expand its collection and modernize its exhibits. It covered significant events such as the Kargil conflict of 1999 between India and Pakistan. The museum introduced interactive displays, multimedia presentations, and dioramas to enhance visitor engagement and provide a more immersive experience. 2000s. During the 2000s, the museum focused on displaying artifacts and information related to the ongoing war on terror, particularly Pakistan's role in combating terrorism. Exhibits showcased the bravery and sacrifices of Pakistani soldiers in various operations, including counterinsurgency efforts in the tribal areas and peacekeeping missions around the world. 2010s. In the 2010s, the Army Museum Lahore continued to update its exhibits to reflect contemporary military operations and achievements. It highlighted Pakistan's contributions to international peacekeeping, disaster relief efforts, and maintaining regional security. The museum also incorporated digital technology and interactive displays to provide an enhanced educational experience for visitors. 2020s. In the 2020s, the Army Museum Lahore remained committed to preserving the military history of Pakistan. It expanded its collection to include artifacts and information about recent conflicts, such as the ongoing tensions with India. As of 2023, the Army Museum Lahore continues to serve as a vital institution for preserving the military heritage of Pakistan, providing educational resources, and promoting patriotism among visitors. Its exhibits reflect the evolving nature of warfare and the contributions of the Pakistan Army in maintaining national security.